6 May 2026, 76 years ago, God blessed Asanteman with a special gift. Otumfuo II was born in 1956 May. And as we celebrate your 26th birthday, I take this opportunity to wish His Royal Majesty a happy, blessed birthday. And I pray God to continue to bless him with wisdom, sound health, and the in-depth knowledge with which he's ruling Asanteman and meditating for Ghana concerning issues that bring peace to our nation and the entire world. Otumfuo, happy birthday, Nana Otumfuo.
Your Majesty, we give thanks to Almighty God for the gift of your precious life and for graciously adding another year to your years. As you enter this new season, it is our prayer that the Lord order your steps. May He endow you with the enduring wisdom and strengthen you to continue guiding Asanteman with distinction and honor. We at Otumfuo Foundation express our deepest love, appreciation, heartfelt wishes, even on this special day. Happy birthday, Asantehene. Long live Otumfuo II. Long live the King. Long live Asantehene.
Otumfuo Foundation. And then actually I'm poured out of my Afribako Aka Yura Otiposo Otumfuo Abibio Nephew. As a Yamishano now also a man of wedding, also a man of now only in Canada. That you are part or ye at the bois Asanteman Ghana Mano. Yakoso and Yaso Faso, not Abwa MP, Titu Nemographo, Mofra, and the bar, our Asante Memo, and the Ghana Memo. And into your henny, I can say, Pia, Yankwada, Onkaso, Onyamisha P, Yamau Awadapa.
From Kwesi Odro Kranchi, the age of Otumfuo Foundation. Ɔhene wo nkwaso mfie eduson sia Onyankopɔn ehyira wo wadwempa ɛne wo dae pa wosoma Asanteman ɛma wika bibia no so ababebwe ɛwɔ nhyira wo hyira wo kusakuse ɔhene wo nkwaso.
Happy birthday, Your Majesty Otumfuo II. Wishing you continued wisdom, strength, and good health as you lead with dignity and inspire generations. May your reign be blessed with peace, prosperity, and long-lasting legacy. Long live the King, Yura Onkwasu.
My name is Opemsuo, a National Service Personnel at the Otumfuo Foundation. I would like to wish His Royal Majesty Otumfuo II a very happy birthday. Nana, may your leadership continue to bring peace, unity, and progress to Ashanti Kingdom. Your dedication to tradition and development inspires many. We wish you good health and long life. Happy birthday, Nana.